This forest feels different. Wait, that apple.
Yeah, it's glowing.
It fell by itself.
That's not normal.
Look, it's spreading. Be careful, something is waking up.
Creating long AI videos used to be a complex thing, but not anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make long AI videos with perfect character consistency from start to finish. And I'm not talking about just 1 or 2 minute video. This is about creating full 30-minute AI videos or even longer, all with perfect character consistency from start to finish. I know you might be thinking, this must be expensive or too technical, but trust me, it's not what you think. The tool I'm about to show you is a complete powerhouse that makes this process simple, fast, and time-saving. And most important thing is, it has all the top models like Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3, Veo 3.1, and even the new Google Nano Banana Pro image model that's trending everywhere right now. And here's the best part. This tool itself gives your video a professional voiceover. You don't need to record anything. It builds your scenes, keeps your characters consistent, and gives your video a clean, cinematic look automatically. So if you're running a faceless YouTube channel, or even thinking to start one, this tool is like your full mentor. It handles the heavy work, and you just focus on the idea. So let's jump into the tutorial. So the tool I am talking about is Edimakor. Honestly, this is a total game changer. I've already added the download link in the description. Just install in your device and you're ready to start. When you open it in the toolbox, you'll see it has literally every feature I need for my work. That's why I call it a game changer. So now, let's see how we can use it to create long, full-length videos. The first step is to create AI prompts for our video. And we start with the images. For this, I always use ChatGPT because honestly, it's our best friend when it comes to creating professional AI prompts. All you have to do is describe the type of story or video you want, and ChatGPT will give you ready-to-use prompts for your images. This way, your visuals match your story perfectly from the start. So we have created the prompts for our scene images. Now, the next important step is character consistency. To do this, we need to create profiles for each character. We will give ChatGPT a prompt for every character to generate a separate profile with a plain background. These profiles will help us make reference images, making sure the same characters appear consistently throughout the story. For example, we can prompt ChatGPT like this: create a detailed profile prompts for my all-story characters. Include age, gender, hairstyle, outfit, unique features, and expression. Keep the background completely plain. This profile will be used to generate reference images for consistent characters in my story. Now our characters' profile prompts are also ready. A next step is to create all the AI images for our video. For this, I'll use Nano Banana Pro, which is super powerful and trending right now. Inside the Edimakor toolbox, you'll find the text-to-image option. Just you open this option. Here, you just enter the prompts we created in ChatGPT, and the AI will generate the images for your scenes. First, we need to copy the character profile prompt into our prompt workspace and select the model I am selecting, Google Nano Banana Pro. Next, adjust the basic settings as needed to generate the image. Once our character profile image is ready, we will repeat this process for all our characters. After all character profile images are generated, we can start creating images for the scenes in our story. To ensure consistency, we will first download the character profile images and upload them as reference images. This way, the characters will remain consistent in every scene of our story. Next, we will use the scene prompts that ChatGPT provided to generate images for all the scenes, one by one. First, we will generate the images for the first scene, and then continue the same way for all the other scenes. While generating images for each scene, make sure to upload the character profile images as reference. This will ensure that the characters remain consistent in every image throughout the story. So, step 2 is complete. Our AI images are ready, all generated using Nano Banana Pro. Now, step 3 is to convert these images into a video. For this, use the image to video feature. Just drag your first scene image on the timeline, right-click on it, and select Image to Video. In the model section, you'll find all the popular models like Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3, Veo 3.1, and more. You can select whichever model fits your video style. For this tutorial, I'll be using this one. Next, enter the prompt to tell the AI what type of animation you want for this image. You can take help from ChatGPT for your scene's animation prompts. After that, adjust the basic settings. Once everything is set, just click Generate, and your video will start generating. And here we go! Our first image is now animated. I'll repeat this process for all the images we generated with Nano Banana, one by one, until we have every scene ready for the full video. All right, now all the images we created with Google Nano Banana Pro are animated. Step 4 is to merge all these videos into a single long video. And here's why I call this tool a game changer. You don't need to jump to another software. Everything is here, saving you so much time. To merge, just drag all the animated clips onto the timeline one by one. Once they're on the timeline, make sure they're in the correct order according to your story. This is really important. If any clip is out of place or missing, your video won't look professional. So take your time to arrange each clip carefully, and your long video will start taking shape perfectly. Step 5 is adding the voiceover to our video. To do this, click on the audio option, then select text to speech. Here, you can enter your script, and the AI will generate the voiceover for you. If you want to use your own voice, click on My Voice and then Clone. You can record directly or upload a sample audio file to clone your voice. But for this video, I'm using the library voices, and honestly, they have some amazing, natural-sounding options. I've selected the voice I like, entered my script, and now I just click Generate Speech. And boom, our voiceover is ready and added to the timeline. Next, just check all the video clips to make sure they match the voiceover. If needed, you can adjust them. This tool gives you full editing freedom, so you can add transitions, effects, or anything you like. At this point, your video is fully final. You can still add subtitles, filters, transitions, elements, or anything else if you want. Once you're happy with everything, just click Export, choose your basic settings like resolution, and click Save. And that's it. Our video is ready. Let's take a look at the final result.
In the heart of a snowy forest, glowing footprints appear out of nowhere. Aaron steps cautiously as Lumi whispers, "They weren't here before." Suddenly the lantern dies, and the forest seems to call their names. Snow rises around them, forming a magical circle that traps them inside. An icy mirror emerges, showing older versions of themselves, far apart. The mirror cracks. Branches rush toward them, testing their bond. But together they step forward, and the forest finally stills, accepting them.
Wow, this is looking amazing, right? Now in this video, I only generated a short sample because I don't have enough time to show you a full 30-minute video. But with this tool, you can create long videos as long as you want. This sample is just to show you how everything works. If you want to try it yourself, just click the link in the description. And make sure to tell me which video model is your favorite. So, if you enjoyed this video, then please smash the like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who wants to start a faceless channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.